Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Roblox login error. So sometimes you'll encounter this problem on Roblox wherein you'll receive an error whenever you log in. So there's actually a few things for you to check and see if this issue can be resolved on your end. Now, first thing that you have to see here is you have to check if your internet connection is actually stable. So the best way for you to check that is either switching to another interconnection or going to google.com and just basically typing for internet speed test. In this case, just go to internet speed test and see our internet connection. Now from here, you could either use the built-in speed test for Google or go to this website here to test your internet speed. Now, if your internet speed is stable, then you should be able to probably access or log into Roblox. But if that's not the case and you're having issues on your internet, then you might want to consider checking it again later on and see if that actually solves your issue. So if it's internet-related issue, you won't be able to do much about it. But yeah, so if that's not the issue, internet speed is actually stable, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to ensure the settings that you have on your PC is actually in proper use. So in this case, if you're using VPN, make sure that you turn that off first, because using VPN could actually affect your speed or internet speed and means you won't be able to have proper connection. So meaning you might want to turn your VPN and try logging in. Now, if that's not the case, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to check if Roblox servers are actually up and running. So you want to just type into your Google here, Roblox is it down. So in this case, we'll see if the Roblox status are actually up and running. So you could go to status.roblox.com in here. And from here, you'll be able to see all of the issues that they currently had experienced. So in this case, the last issue that Roblox had encountered is last September 6th. So this is quite far. So if you don't see any updates here, then it means Roblox is up and operational. So if the issue is not with the Roblox status here and the servers are up and running, then the next thing that we could do here is we could go to our Google Chrome settings. So go to the top right corner of your screen. That's where you customize Google Chrome. And you want to go to settings, and from here you want to go to privacy and security, and from here you want to go ahead and click on third-party cookies. And from here you just scroll down a bit until you see all site data and permissions, and from here look for Roblox. Now from here, click on the trash can icon next to Roblox. From here it's going to ask you clear site data and permissions for roblox.com, and just click on clear. Now from here, next thing you want to do is you want to try logging in again in Roblox and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.